Hi and welcome. Welcome under the moon tree. I think there's someone else who wants to join us too. We'll see how it goes. Yes. Yeah. Welcoming you. It seems that he really has a message to share because he was here earlier and I started recording already, and then it turned into a huge cat petting session. But now the same, it is happening again. Oh, he looks like an did you just look like an Egyptian cat from the statues? A message for someone, he says. Yes, it was really important for Jerry to come here this time. And like I said earlier when I tried to record with him, that his first and foremost message is, of course, a message of love. And then he wanted to say that love is all you need. Like the Beatles song, love is all you need. And in our previous recording session, having said that, he jumped off. But then he said that he has more to say. So let us see, Jerry. Maybe instead of a card, we should take one of these oracle stones to start with. And maybe someone, oh yeah, definitely someone here has a connection to Egypt. A past life connection or present. And the cat gods like Bastet, Sekhmet, Bastet being the gentle feminine cat goddess, and Sekhmet the fierce, also a female feline. Here. Haluatko sekoittaa yhdessä? Bless this pouch with the feline power. And naturally, he's saying that there are some witchy people with cat familiars called here tonight, and some of you have had this connection through lifetimes, and I'm also getting the Lyrans. If there are any starseeds here who want a confirmation about Lyra, this is for you. And for those who don't resonate with the starseed starseed agenda. It is still a powerful message of the energies of those cat people, some of them with more feline features and some less, very much resembling those Egyptian deities. That you may in general have, even if you are not called to the mysteries of the starseeds, the mysteries of these cat-like beings wandering the universe. I'm hearing like the gypsies of the universe, and suddenly I want to cry. Yes, the energy of the Lyran story. Of having lost their home of origin and having wandered through galaxies, yet very brave and joyful beings they are. Let us see. Master Jerry, now is the time for our oracle stone. And the first one is the web. And I'm seeing here this web as a web of countless stars that we were just speaking of, the universe. Like the web of light. And as I felt like crying, I'm getting the powerful message of tears turning into light. Like there are two ways to look at a spider web, but it can be the sticky trap of entanglement. But when the sun shines in the droplets of water, you see the most beautiful web of light. And we can choose which web we connect to. Or there are times on our journey, and when someone is traveling through this life on a frequency, on a certain frequency, where they can only see the sticky webs, it's not easy to switch on the view of the web of light. But you have come so far through the galaxies to this moment that you are one of those who can choose which web to connect to. Even if you should one day wake up and find yourself, oh, why am I in this sticky web again? You know that the way out is just a breath away. Even despite your outer circumstances, it can be that way. Oh, I think I may be speaking quite slowly because I'm channeling with this little Lyran here. And we shall take another oracle stone. Whoa, dragon energy. Powerful. This is the dragon I made, and I left the dragon, him or her, or a dragon of dragon who is not him or her, whatever the dragon. I also left this dragon without any color because I felt that it's, you know, the color of your dragon is the message here. Powerful, powerful. Look. Third oracle stone, because it's easier with Master Jerry here. The chakras. Yes. Connect to the web of light. A light upgrade on its way or already happening. And meditate with your chakras. Activate your chakras, maybe cleanse and see what's going on. Thank you, Master Jerry. I just took this. Now it's time for an animal or oracle, because that was a... Thank you so much. Dear Spirit, our guides who love us unconditionally. What message do you wish to share? Freedom, the horse. And under it, the lion spirit and the horse. I have to take the lion as well, because the lion message was coming through. And whether the lyra resonates to you from the starseed connection perspective or not. Those nomads of the universe among you who are brave and free, and who can turn their tears into webs of light. I may want to share with you an oracle card that I took before I started recording, because it was my original intention. But I felt that I may share this because I wasn't gonna record, but then I took this card. and it's her sacred space that she has lit up, connecting with the eternity symbol there on the ground, connecting to the universe. And this is the card of boundaries. And especially after this here are starting of the reading, it speaks to me of taking the time and space, creating the time and space to connect when you feel like you need to do that you need to set boundaries to allow yourself that sacred time, that sacred space. Say yes to what your heart desires. This card has a message in the booklet that says, don't say yes if it means saying no to yourself. And I wanted to share this card with you because I'm just so happy today in my own sacred space, having cancelled a social plan for the New Year's Eve. I just suddenly realized that it felt like saying no to myself, saying yes to that social thing. And instantly when I cancelled, and they were okay with it, like no problems, and I felt so yeah, free. I felt free. Now I can do my wild thing in my sacred space. And I had been planning a retreat after Yule. It was already on my horizon, and suddenly I had made an agreement for the New Year's, and I felt like, oh, there goes my retreat. And someone here may resonate with doing that kind of thing and going, there it goes again, I did it again. And definitely empaths who need their sacred space. Maybe stepping now more into understanding of your empathic nature. And sometimes slipping into overgiving and even possibly feeling so drained that you need to rest in a way that is just, it's not being wild and free in your sacred space, but just recharging and trying to get your energy back up. And then would be, if that has happened, then would be the time when you can start being wild and free in your sacred space. But oh, the phone rings, there's another one, now there's an emergency, or it's a crisis, or it's someone needs a cheerleader for their accomplishment, and there you go again. Maybe this resonates for someone. And yes, besides recharging your batteries in your sacred space, also after you are recharged, don't rush to, okay, I'm back, I can give more. I can give more and pick up the phone, but instead also take time to be joyful in your time and space, and let the boundaries be made of those, like the web of light, like those droplets of light. And when you are this wild and free and fully energized, that is, and when you connect to the web of light, not the web of sticky web of entanglements, or even the sticky web of not just concrete people around you, but expectations coming from, whether it's from society or your upbringing or stuff like that. When instead of connecting to the sticky web, when you connect to the web of light, you are always in connection. We are one. And that is when you are able to shine your light and give more, as these droplets that spread out across the universe. Your light will be so much more of service to others, humans, spirits in body or other frequencies, and animals, all the sentient beings of the universe. I think we should take another oracle card from this same deck. I'm so sorry, I don't remember the name of, but I will put it in the description. Friendship. Yes. Just what we were speaking about, and the connections and the web of light. Look. And the light in her heart when she is connected to the web of light. These friends, they are, and also getting the friendship both with your physical friends, companions, soul family, or blood family, but the friendship of these beings in light bodies. It's important. When you operate on a frequency, you operate as a light being already. And it's important to also give the time and space to hang out with your friends in light bodies and your friends in high places. And when you do this, keep your sacred space. You can meet your, well, including meeting the people who are in dire need and tend to come to you in difficult situations. You can come to them replenished, not just barely recharged, but replenished after spending time with dancing with the light. Third card, passion. Yeah, dancing with the light. Okay, there's somebody's hiding behind the dancing. Definitely dancing with the light, raising your vibration. And cleansing with that fire. If you have been in places that have pulled you to the frequency of the sticky web, you know to dance. You know to dance this dance of fire to cleanse, burn the sticky webs of entanglements, of things that are not even really you, really yours. And who's speaking? Well-being. What more can we say? Whoa, what a card. So beautiful. So beautiful. I want to put it like this. He or she or whoever you are is going to this sacred meadow in the moonlight. Jerry. Jerry is climbing on a printer. Jerry, tuu pois. Well-being. A time of well-being. Let's take some tarot. Seriously, there's a situation now. I think I'm gonna pause. Back, I stopped the cat from destroying a printer. And let's pull some tarot. King of Rods on the split. The King of Fire, who dances with fire. And there is a lion peeking from behind his head. Look. Here's my lion. Look, my lions. Absolutely. Confirmation of some here may also be Leos or fire signs, or have Leo connections, or Leo in the chart, or in the relationships. I'm also hearing like be the star. That is what Leos are. Okay, and the lovers at the bottom of the deck. I mean, not the lovers, no, the Two of Cups. The Two of Cups. With a freaking lion. Well, this reading is like lions all over the place. Jerry's coming to the room again. Jer, what about the lions, Jerry? Why are they all over the place now? Yeah. Okay. And twin flame or soulmate. And in this reading, all this cat, feline, lion energy, and the lion energy, just for someone. Whether that twin flame be in your life or not yet to enter, or if they are not in this dimension, it is a powerful sign here. And for those who don't resonate with the twin flame, some people say that it's not, that there is no such thing. I believe very firmly that there is, because I have experienced it extremely strongly. My twin flame is unfortunately no longer with us in this body, but he is very much still with me. And he is also very much one of those cat people in spirit as he was in flesh. So also in light body, or different frequency of body. Don't know why this is coming out, but that connection was so extremely strong all through our long history together and our marriage, that if someone is wondering about twin flame things and twin flame unions and separations and all that jazz that it can bring, I'm just telling you that this is a message coming through someone who has seen a very powerful twin flame journey. And I do know, whatever you wish to call that connection, that such connections in my magical reality, I know in my heart that such a union has come through for me. And so it may be for you, for someone specific, or many specific people but also that it's a connection that definitely that is the connection that goes beyond the body. Even when you are both in physical bodies, that type of soul connection, it's your spirits are connected when the other just goes to the store, or if the other is on the other side of the world. The telepathy can be immense, and it can also be like oh, and we did get this passion and the flame, the dancer with the flames. Sometimes it can be quite overwhelming too. And in the twin flame relationship or other such very intense soul connections, that may be just a different type of vibration, but have a lot of similarities, both in the twin flame relationship or intense soulmate or karmic relationships. It is very important to find that space. Even though when it's a so-called twin flame relationship, you will probably find yourself like this beautiful lady here meditating in her sacred forest, in her sacred circle that she has made, and then suddenly I can already see she can hear like behind her, "Hi, it's me." Because they are the other you. But becoming one with yourself through this union is kind of the key to the union of the two separate people as well, when they both become one with themselves, a so-called twin within. I didn't know about the twin flame thing because it started when I was so young, and it wasn't then, there was no adventures on the internet. And then an older woman gave me this. She said to me, "Oh, that's what you're having," and she gave me this little booklet about it, and I was, oh my god, yes. I am. Well, I certainly didn't expect this to be a love or twin flame reading with a lot of, I was expecting the cat magic, but yeah, twin flames, cat magic. What more, dear spirit? Our guides who love us unconditionally. Cat. Cat ancestors of the light. Four of Swords. Four of Swords. And the Page of Swords behind. Four of Swords. Rest. Meditate and rest. well-being. Yeah, and for some the friendship, the Two of Cups go together. And there may be a special, potentially more than friendship, in your friendship circle. They are also bringing this pillar of light. Look, and here, one within and union together. And freedom is such a powerful thing in the twin flame. When you become free, when you meet the other in the present, in the here and now, free of expectation, free of pushing them away, and free of pulling them in. In a state of flow and trust. Twin flame messages, huh? But that is what came out. And in connection to this, we also had the dragon and in connection to the dancer in the fire. Rest and meditate. Okay. Yeah. The Hanged Man. Also telling you there may be a good time for meditating for answers instead of thinking about, clearing your mind, yeah, instead of seeking answers by thinking, instead of going to the sticky web for answers. They will never be there, or there will be 1,000 and 10,000 and 100,000 answers are found in the sticky web. But if instead you go like the Hanged Man, to stillness, like Hanged Man is like all Odin, who hung from the tree of life, the tree of wisdom, and he found his enlightened wisdom by meditating on the tree of life. Yeah. Seek answers in silence, and silence will answer. The strength. What's it called? Wait. Koans? Yes, but I was thinking of strange contradictions that hold great wisdom. Like the contradiction of some things, it opens a portal of silence, and through that portal you are transformed. Through that portal you walk into a higher frequency of clarity. The portal between words or thoughts that have come to a point where the contradiction is so overwhelming, and then suddenly between the words, in the emptiness, everything opens up, and you may laugh. Sometimes you may laugh at it all. Thank you, dear souls. I think... Jerry, tog se syli? Tog tätä no moi moi. I'm asking him if he wants to come and say bye. Because he comes to say bye. Are you saying bye bye? Thank you, Cherry, for the beautiful our lion team here. Do you have... Yes. Was this from you? He's purring. It was from him. It was from him, and he's sending you all Lyran love and Egyptian Mar love. And I hope this reading made sense or parts of it, and I hope it resonated. And thank you. If the reading resonated, if you liked the reading and my readings, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, and we both hope to see you next time. Love and light. Namaste. Thank you.